If you've lost access to your Amazon Prime Video account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Amazon sign-in page. Go to the Amazon website and click on the sign-in button. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Your Password link and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Amazon Prime Video account. Make sure it is the correct email that you used to register for the service. Step 4. Check your email for recovery instructions. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from Amazon. This email will contain instructions and a link to reset your password. Follow the link provided. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the password reset link, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to log back into your Amazon Prime Video account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for further assistance.